morning. I am Rizami Alba.
And I'm Judeline Cabarles.
And today we will demonstrate our final project called
DIY rain sensor and mini doorbell using touch sensor. So the first device that I'm going to demonstrate is the rain sensor. So as you can see, there is a two blades on the roof, and then there's a light emitting diode or LED, and then the switch, and then the buzzer. So how to make this device function? So first, we have to connect the wire to the 9 volts battery. And then next is to turn on the switch. And then let's pretend that this glass of water is a rain. Okay. So let's pour this water on the two blades. So as you can see, if we pour a glass of water, the two blades will sense the water, and then the alarm will immediately turn on. So if we continue pouring the water, it will continuously alarm. So this is how our rain sensor works. So what is the purpose of this rain sensor? So rain sensor can detect the rain. So we can use this sa mga malalaking bahay or mga kapal na wall, because usually sa mga malalaking bahay, hindi mo maririnig or malalaman na may rain. So we decided to make this device. So hindi lang siya designed para sa bahay. We can also use this sa agriculture. So kapag may device din for irrigation, and kapag pinag-integrate ang rain sensor sa device din for irrigation, if the rain sensor detects the water, the device from irrigation will open the irrigation. And the next device will be introduced by Miss Riza Alba.
Next is mini doorbell using touch sensor. So to make device work is, the first thing you need to do is connect the 9 volts battery to the wire. After you connect the battery, then just simply touch the metal here, which is the thumbtacks. Then it will send the signal to transistor, which collect the current. Then it will send the signal into buzzer. Then the buzzer will automatically trigger, just like this. Then we decided to put the LED or light emitting diode inside the house or the miniature. By the way, the purpose of this project is to let the owner know, or let the owner of the house to know if there's someone outside their home. And hindi lang siya designed para sa mga bahay. Pwede rin siya sa mga restaurant, tindahan like sari-sari store. To halimbawa mayroong customer or bibili, or they just touch here to inform the owner. So again, this is our final project called
DIY rain sensor
and mini doorbell using touch sensor. That's all. Thank you.
The first thing that you have to do before you make an electronic device is you have to do it first on breadboard. And if it works, create a PCB layout. Making a PCB layout on rain sensor. This is the layout of our rain sensor. Making PCB layout on doorbell.
layout of our mini doorbell.
Init. Ba't kainit lang?
Ang isuldas.
Sa lakas mo talaga.
Ayun na.